Hey guys, I thought I'd show you my dual monitor setup because I figured some of you might actually want to see. You can see I have my 20-inch Acer flat screen monitor, and over here I have an old HP Pavilion 15-inch monitor. Now this one has a VGA input and this one has a DVI input, so I was able to plug them both into my video card, and that allowed me to do dual screen. So with dual screen you can do a lot of things. If I go to my ATI Catalyst Control Center, you can see shows up with both of my monitors. This one actually isn't as high res, number 2. But I can do a couple things. I could make it single display so that I have multiple desktops, or I can share it. Can do a lot of things with it. Right now I have it set up in shared mode, which means that if I go like that, although this one isn't as tall, actually I might stick a book under it after this, you can see it's shared. And if I double click on that, it's bigger on that screen. So I can do some cool things like this with this, like if I wanted to go to Firefox and I wanted to follow a tutorial from BlenderCookie.com on Blender, you can follow the tutorial and do it on Blender simultaneously. But one other cool feature is, once this loads, I'll just switch to a different view. I can do some cool stuff with Blender. Now in Blender, I can open new scene. I can hold down Shift. Actually, let me start display. Set graphic or text. And if I hold Shift plus left click, I get a new thing. And if I bring it over here, and then I can do things like I can view it from here, move it. You can see it follows it on the other monitor. So it's really nice. Or I can go into camera mode and move this cube around, which is really cool too. It's really nice for if you wanted to, for instance, make this a node editor. And then I can go into the compositing nodes, render it out really quick, use nodes. But say I figured out I want to change something. Well, instead of having to switch back, I can just come over here, say, drag that cube up, re-render it, and it's changed. So really cool setup. If you ever do have 2 monitors just lying around, you might want to use this. Thanks.